What's your name and what grade are you in?
I'm Joanna, and I'm a sophomore.
I'm Julian, and I'm a sophomore.
I'm Jackson.
Josiah.
Daniel.
My name is Aaron Macias.
Jazzy.
How do you feel about starting this new school year?
I feel amazing.
Nervous, I guess.
It's been pretty good. I like it. Like everyone's friendly here. The teachers are nice.
I was hyped. I really want to see my friends.
I think it's gonna be going well, perfect,
And what activities are you doing this year?
I'm doing agriculture and ultimate PE.
Golf and baseball.
This year, I'm doing Avenger training for ROTC, orchestra, ROTC, and wrestling.
I'm doing advanced orchestra, Spanish, 1, 2, and guitar beginning, film and choir.
Sick. How do you feel about those?
I generally like film. We did a film little project today, and then in choir we're doing voice placements.
That's fantastic.